We're Bulletproof Dog Training here in Cincinnati, Ohio. Here I have our newest 15-day board and train. This is Jack. Jack is a 2-year-old German Shepherd Lab mix that came to us to get a little bit of control out in public. As you can see, he's a little bit nervous with the surrounding dogs next to him. He likes to jump up. Inside the home, he does really well. He does know a couple of commands. We're going to go ahead and see what he does and doesn't do for me, and then we're going to go ahead and take it from there. Jack, can you sit? Oh, good. Sit. Yeah, that's good. What about a down? Oh, that's an up. Yes, can you sit? Down. Can you down? That's a paw. Thank you. That's very nice. All right. What about a walk? You want to go for a walk? Good boy. Good job. Nope. All right. As you can see, we got a little bit of work to do. You can stay tuned for the remainder of this video to see his amazing transformation. And thank you so much for choosing Bulletproof. Go ahead and shut the door right behind you. There you go. And then I'm going to go ahead and release him and you can call him. All right, Jack, break. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Kyle. And I'm Laura, and this is our dog Jack, and our trainer was Ivory, and we had a phenomenal experience with Bulletproof Training. We had an awesome dog who was just a little rough around the edges, and dropped him off for 2 weeks of board and train, and now we got to pick him up and see all the awesome commands that he's taught and learning. He's just going to be an awesome asset to our family. Loved all the communication throughout his time here. We got awesome pictures and videos and got to see all of his progress that he was making. It was just so encouraging. Could clearly tell that Jack was very well loved and very well taken care of the entire time he was here. And I'm really excited to take him home and integrate him back into our family with our kids and just see how well that he can operate with all of us and really be an awesome member of our family.